What's good, y'all? It's time to get it started this morning on today's session of Morning Hype. You're now with your boy Mr.Stacks, and it's around 7:47 a.m. before pre-market opens here on Friday the 13th. I'm not superstitious, but hopefully Friday the 13th is a good thing. Right now we do have four popular stocks up here on the charts. And you know what we do about this time. We're trying to look for those breakout stocks here. If you're new to the channel and this is something you want to see, hit that subscribe, notification bell. Show the channel some love here. Thumbs up are always appreciated as well. But let's go ahead and jump right in it here. As you can see, we have four stocks up here, some that we've already touched base on, and I did pick up one new one this morning as we seen it moving yesterday and as well in the pre-market today. But right off the back, we have CLOV up here, which is Clover Health Investments. We still have SPRT, support.com, NAOV, Nanovibronics, and then we picked up Sesson Bio, which is SCSN. So off the back, let's talk about CLOV here. We've been waiting for this one to break back up. As you can see yesterday, in the pre-market, we had a nice climb, hitting that high of about $10. As the market opened, we did see that sell-off, and we've been trying to break back out here throughout the day yesterday, and we're starting to come back down, testing these lower levels. Right now we're looking, I did take a position around like $9 yesterday and trying to average out as we're starting to drop here. I was hoping we would break out before we break down. But as you can see, it looks like we're starting to break down maybe towards 850 or so. We are holding on around that 200-day moving average on the 15-minute chart. I do like to follow the 30-minute though. I feel is more accurate when it comes to these technical analysis. But as you can see, maybe open market we may come down to this level here, 859 or so. And I'm looking to maybe double up again. I really feel like they're going to take off soon. I know they had some good earnings come out. They started to, move up yesterday off of that earnings report the day before, and they just kind of sold off. The short interest in here, it's pretty high. I'm not sure exactly where it's at. I think it's in the 20% range, give or take. But that's kind of what happened here yesterday, but I don't think it's over yet. We're still seeing a little bit of volume in this stock here. Not as much as we had yesterday. We're almost at 1 million shares traded on a daily average of about 30 million. So we're still looking for some more volume to hopefully push this stock up. But these types of stocks are all over the news, all in the forum. People discuss Wall Street bets, things like that everybody talks about, and it can drive a lot of attention into these stocks pretty fast, and it can kick up that volume pretty quickly there. But right now we are coming down, testing these lower levels, so we're going to wait to see what happens as the market opens up. Even the pre-market, hopefully we can kick back up at least above 890, and we're looking to break above about 919. I believe 920 is the range that we were looking yesterday. As you can see, those started to want to push through, but we just couldn't break all the way through there. So we're going to keep an eye on CLOV, y'all. I really feel like that short squeeze can come pretty soon. As you can see, we had that high of about almost $30 here back in June. I bought in around the same level before we broke out. It was around like $9 or so. We've seen that squeeze where I made some change at that time also. So let's see if we can get that running again there and try to get some of those gains. But that's kind of what we're waiting for as we watch the chart play out. Right now, as you can see, we're still on the sell side on the 4-hour, or we can probably come down a little bit lower. I want to call it around 860, 850 maybe. So we'll see what happens. We could hold on this 21-day moving average. You never know. So we'll just have to see how it plays out. Let the chart tell its story there. Moving on though, this is stock number 1. Stock number 2, support.com, SPRT. Y'all, I've been calling this for a while now. It looks like we just broke out this morning. We're hitting that high of 935. Those of y'all that follow the video, y'all could have got in on the low. We've been watching this for the last few days. I bought a position when we first started to break out around like $4 here a couple weeks back, and I've been just posting footage on this one, y'all. I know we've been waiting for those levels to break here as we've been testing it over the last couple of days, And this morning we finally got that boost of volume. As you can see, we're pushing now already over 1 million shares. Our daily average is only 6 million, 7 million. So we're already pushing here about 10, 20% already into the morning here. And the market's not even open. Look at this nice green candle forming here. So I'm really ready to start taking off on this one. I got a little position around 150 shares, nothing too crazy, but it's money, y'all. So we're looking to make some wins here today. Last day of the week. We've had a good week, good run on a lot of these stocks this week. Feeling real good closing the week here. Feeling, a little fat in my pockets. Hopefully y'all are able to make some money as well. I'm trying to post these videos for y'all, trying to show some love here. I can't call them all, but I do try to point out some of these spots, some of these stocks as to when to get in and out. You still got to make your own decisions on when to buy and sell, though, y'all. I'm not a financial advisor. I have my own strategy, and I just try to share my techniques and tips there, y'all. But hopefully y'all are able to make some money this week also as we continue providing this footage for y'all. But SPRT, man, we are looking to buy in $8. I know we broke through this level around 830 or so, 833. That would probably be another buy point here if we come back down here. So I would wait. Don't chase the rally. This can always turn sideways. We do have a high short interest. I believe it was like 24, 27%, give or take. I'm not sure if it's increased since last time I've looked. But this one can go either way, man. But hopefully we start to squeeze these sellers out of their positions today and we start to move higher. We do have a high 945 on the daily, but on the after hours a few days back we did hit a high of $11. So we're looking to break through this level here soon. I believe there was a price target mentioned in the news about a week ago, some Bitcoin mining deal, and they're looking at it like a $36 price target. Not sure how accurate that is, but man, we're looking to break, y'all. If you can see, we're already holding above 9. We already broke through this level here. We're holding right there. You see that? That's the next level to break. 933, we hit a high. 935, a little bit resistance, but it's pre-market. Once the market opens, hopefully this can take off. We built volume yesterday at 100%. So this volume has been ongoing. There's been a lot of attention in this stock. I've been calling it, y'all. Check the videos if you don't believe me. I'm not trying to sit here and just throw all this at y'all like I'm always right. My predictions are always right. No, but I do my homework. I try to call these early. I don't like chasing these parabolic stocks. I try to get in before they break out, and that's why I'm calling them. So just check out the footage, y'all. Just try to watch these videos as I post. If you're subscribed, you're gonna be notified as I release these, which is a good thing. So just show some love, y'all. How many of y'all made money this week? If y'all made money this week, let me see that thumbs up, man. Show this channel some love, y'all. I'm doing this for y'all. But third stock of the day, we have NAOV. This is one that we had a run yesterday. And this one we made some change on. This was real exciting to trade. Right now we're holding around that $3 level. We've been trying to break through this morning, as you can see, testing around 315 or so, but we're still seeing resistance there. Let's pull up the 30 minutes so you can have a better idea. As you can see, we're still seeing those little wicks. We're still seeing that resistance in this level. Volume started to kick up this morning a little bit. As you can see here, we're already holding around million shares, over 1 million shares this morning. I mean, our daily average is still 31 million, where we got a little ways to go to actually have these turn green, but it can build volume pretty quick. Yesterday it was kind of stagnant in the morning, and as we broke through a level, that volume started to pile in, and everybody looking at the stock, everybody wanted to win. But I called it, y'all. We're looking to get in right now. $3, maybe another buy point, but if not, if we do end up breaking through in the morning, the morning bell rings, we may come down to around 270, 280. Just keep that in mind. I hate for y'all to lose some money here. It's always best to wait for the market to open, at least see how the market's going to play for the day, whether it's an up or down move. But I'm calling that level here, maybe test this moving average or so. If it comes down 270, 280, be another good buy point. But we need to break through 315 or so to continue to move high, and then 340, 350 I would think would be another resistance level where you may want to look to take profits if we're still showing resistance there. So this is the way I would trade it, strategy I'm using. This is how we made some money this week. So let's try to play at it again here. Alrighty, just kind of moving through this one here. Last stock of the day, we have Sessin Bio, which is SESN. This one's seen a big move yesterday, jumping some volume there, as you can see. $4 to $5. We've seen that dollar gain closing at $4.91, and we already hit a high this morning of $5.61 in the pre-market, coming back down around that VWAP on the 5-minute. We're already at $5.19 as we speak. We need to close above the VWAP. 2 green candles close above the VWAP on the 5-minute is what we look for before we consider a buy. We'd hate for this to get in early and then reverse on us, so just keep that in mind if you're willing to trade on this one today. Right now, let's check out the volumes. I haven't even added it on my scanner. Let's see where we're at actually. Sessin right here. So we're about to hit 1 million shares. It's not bad, we're about 20% in. Also, we have only an average of 6 million, so we're pumping today. If we can still continue to build that volume, we may see some momentum and burst through these levels here. Let's check out the 4-hour. See, we've already broke through that $5 range. We're holding around 5. But man, look at this chart. It's looking good, y'all. We've been trending up here for the last few days, few weeks. We finally broke out. Let's see what news might have been published yesterday. I don't know if it was earnings or expected FDA decision on its biologics license application for Vicinium with a target date of August 18th. So it looks like they got some FDA approvals, things like that going on. It's a lot of interest in this stock, starting to push up the price. Look at SPRT, already hitting those highs, $10. I called it, man. I told y'all, come on, let's get it. But yeah, SESN's a good buy, $5, not bad, not a bad price at all. Let's check this 30 minutes, see this level. See, we're already bouncing off that 21-day. Will we come back down in the morning and test these levels? It could happen. Something to watch for. So if you want to buy on the upside, let's close two green candles above the VWAP on the 5. If we end up breaking to the downside, you're looking about 460 to buy in this one here, y'all. So keep that in mind. 460, 470, as you can see, this will be the support level that we're holding in the past. It can be anywhere within this range, but that's where I would call it here. So let's keep that in mind. We're looking to make some money today. We're already up on some of these shares. Let's keep it pushing, y'all. Let's keep the momentum going. Let's keep the love flowing on the channel. I'm doing this for y'all, as I mentioned, man, and I'm going to keep these videos coming. I appreciate everybody tuning in this morning. That's going to wrap it up for today's morning hype session. And we'll talk again later this afternoon, see how the market played out on the closing bell. But feeling real excited in the week here, and we'll have a new strategy starting to moving into next week that we'll provide later this afternoon on how we're planning to play that. But we'll talk with y'all then, y'all, and good trading to y'all today. Peace out.